So today in Disney Dreamlight Valley, we are making recipes that I haven't made yet. So we first start out with eggs, cheese, chili pepper, and let's see what we get. And I did look this up online. For the recipes, oh, we got chili pepper puffs. All right, next we're gonna be using milk. Let's see what else the internet says. All right, we put a potato in there, and then next I believe we're gonna look for an herb. Let's see what we got. We got the potato, but first I think we gotta put a vegetable in there. We got a good vegetable, mushrooms. Now you can put any vegetable you want. Then let's grab the herbs. Now you don't have to put mint. You can put basil in, whatever it is that you have a lot of. And let's see what we made. We made creamy soup. Yay! All right, what's the next thing we're gonna make? We got wheat. Ice, sugar cane, and we're gonna pick a fruit, dragon light fruit, and let's see what we made. Oh, we made Dream Fizz. Subscribe to see more of the series. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today.